Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients and prepping them for a robust chili sauce. Use 2 tablespoons oil, 3 cloves garlic, 1 inch ginger, and 2 green chilies for a bright base. Finely chop the garlic and ginger and slit the chilies. Combine 2 medium tomatoes, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes in a bowl so flavors are ready. Measure 1/4 cup white vinegar and 2 tablespoons soy sauce before you start cooking, and set aside 1 tablespoon tomato paste for depth. Heat a saucepan and sauté the aromatics. Add the 2 tablespoons oil and cook the chopped garlic, ginger, and green chilies on medium heat for about 2 minutes until fragrant and lightly golden. Add the chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes. Stir and cook for 3 minutes. Add 1/4 cup white vinegar and 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Then simmer for 10 minutes and reduce the sauce to 1/3 of its original volume to concentrate flavor. Blend until smooth and return to the pan to adjust seasoning by adding 1 tablespoon each of soy and vinegar if needed. Brown the keema. Heat a skillet, add 300 g minced meat, season with 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, and 1 teaspoon garam masala, and cook until fully browned and most moisture evaporates. Drain excess fat. Boil 200 g noodles in salted water for 4 minutes until al dente. Drain and toss immediately with the keema and about 3/4 cup of the prepared chili sauce so the noodles absorb flavor. Garnish with chopped coriander and a squeeze of lemon. Refrigerate leftover sauce up to 7 days or freeze up to 2 months for future batches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.